Hey, it's Michael here. In this video, we're looking at CadTracker's Quick Project Wizard, which, unsurprisingly, is the easiest way to create a new project. There are a few options in Tools Configuration which make the Quick Project Wizard even better. In the Folders tab, under Project, there's a Template folder. This can be an absolute path or relative to a site folder. For this video, we'll use an absolute path. Our project template folder is on our NAS. It contains our standard files and folders which we copy into every new project. Another useful option is the server folder, which can also be an absolute path or relative to a site folder. We'll set it to our NAS projects folder. The final option is the job template folder. We'll select our folder using an absolute path to the NAS. Now we'll create a new project with the Quick Project Wizard. We'll enter a number and a name. We'll use uppercase for the name as it will be mapped into drawing title blocks. We'll use title case for the internal name. The folder has defaulted to our server folder. We can now create the project folder and copy from the project template folder. We'll select the client so that the contacts are available when we're ready to do transmittals. For this project, we'll be authoring AutoCAD drawings, so we need to set up at least one job. In the Quick Project Wizard, job folders are relative to the project folder. We can create the folder and copy from the template folder. We can also quickly add document collections to the new project. We'll add a collection for general documents and one for reports. And we'll add one email box. Now if we open the project folder, we can see the folders and files that were copied from the project template. And we can see our email box and document collections. That's a brief overview of the Quick Project Wizard. Bye for now.